such, data collection technologies are replacing the sometimes unreliable paper-based methods fast. Open Data Kit is a suite of tools that enables users to collect data offline and send data to servers in an active internet connection, and therefore streamlining the data collection process. In this course, I'm going to teach you how to design Open Data Kit survey forms, to synchronize the ODK Collect, which is an app with the free Google Sheets as the cloud servers. 3. Collect your data using the Open Data Kit Collect app. And lastly, import and manage your data in R statistical software to prepare it for storage and analysis. So this course is divided into 5 modules. So module 1 will take you through the introduction and use of Open Data Kit. Module 2 will take you through the creation of Excel and XML forms. Module 3 will take you through how to enhance data quality in Open Data Kit. Module 4 will take you through synchronizing Open Data Kit Collect, which is an app with Google Sheets server, collecting and sending the data into the server. Module 5, which is the last module, will take you through how to import and manage your collected data in R. So here are the course learning outcomes. So after successful completion of this course, you will be able to become an electronic data collection consultant, save project cost by leveraging the free online-based database servers, understand the use of Open Data Kit, understand the various types of questions which are used in Open Data Kit. You will also be able to design XLS forms and convert them into machine-readable forms called XML forms. You will also be able to understand data quality in Open Data Kit using additional form wizards. You will also be able to synchronize survey forms with free cloud servers such as the Google Sheets and the Kobo servers. You will be able to collect data offline and send the data to the Google Sheets server. And lastly, you will be able to directly import collected data from Google Sheets into R statistical software and manage the data into R. So my name is Collins Audi, and in my role as the monitoring and evaluation professional, I've assisted many NGOs to utilize this data collection technology and streamline the survey process. Welcome to the course.